Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So finally your Sale MT online application is started now. In this video, quickly I will show you that how you can fill this form properly so that you will not face difficulty in document verification. Already notification video मैंने बना दिया है. Detailed notification I have made. The link you will get in the comment section. Form last date is 31st of December and now we will start the video. So before going to form filling, what are the documents or things you require to fill the form? So first important thing is your photograph. Okay, it should be recent. नया चाहिए, recent चाहिए, ठीक है. पुराना कोई भी डालो मत, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम होगा फिर. और नेक्स्ट जो है सिग्नेचर लगने वाला है इन ब्लैक इंक, ठीक है. तो एक बॉक्स में प्रॉपरली आपको सिग्नेचर देना है, वो अपलोड करना है. ओके, एंड देन यू रिक्वायर डॉक्यूमेंट्स लाइक मार्कशीट, 10, 12 डिप्लोमा ग्रेजुएशन के मार्कशीट लगेंगे डेटा फिल करने के लिए. ओके, दैट्स इट. एंड अपलोड करने के लिए फोटो एंड सिग्नेचर. So when you will click on the link which I will give in the comment section, this page will get open. Here you have to click on this login button. ओके, देन ये विंडो आपके सामने खुल जाएगा. देन हियर अभी आपको क्या करना है, रजिस्टर हियर पे क्लिक करना है. बाद में फिर सिलेक्ट करना है कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस एमटीटी, ठीक है, विच इज अवर रिक्रूटमेंट, दैट इज सेल एमटी रिक्रूटमेंट. ऑलरेडी वन मोर रिक्रूटमेंट इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव आईटीआई पोस्ट, ठीक है. सो आई सिलेक्टेड एंड क्लिक ऑन सबमिट बटन. देन यू टू क्रिएट योर लॉगिन आईडी. ओके, जस्ट यूज योर लेटर्स एंड नंबर्स, नंबर और लेटर का कॉम्बिनेशन के आईडी बनाओ. ओके, देन क्लिक ऑन चेक अवेलेबिलिटी, ठीक है. तो देन यू टू जनरेट योर पासवर्ड, तो पासवर्ड जनरेट करना है, उसको कंफर्म करना है इधर. ईमेल आईडी जो एक्टिव है वो आपको डालना है इधर, ठीक है. देन यू टू जस्ट सिलेक्ट योर नेम, एंटर योर नेम एज पर एसएससी मार्कशीट. मोबाइल नंबर डालना है और उसको वेरीफाई करना है ओटीपी से. ओटीपी के लिए हार्डली यू विल गेट 1 मिनट. ओके, फॉर ओटीपी इन 1 मिनट यू विल गेट ओटीपी. एंटर फादर नेम एंड मदर नेम एज पर योर एसएससी मार्कशीट. देन सिलेक्ट जेंडर, ठीक है, अगेन कंफर्म इट. देन सिलेक्ट वेदर यू आर मैरिड और नॉट, ठीक है. देन रिलीजन यू टू सिलेक्ट. देन डेट ऑफ बर्थ यू विल सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस कैलेंडर लाइक दिस. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली दे विल कैलकुलेट फॉर यू. देन कैटेगरी, जो भी आपका कैटेगरी है, एससी एसटी ओबीसी, वो आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, देन नेशनलिटी एंड देन डेट ऑफ इशू ऑफ कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट. तो जो भी ओबीसी से है आपको कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट का जो डेट है वो डालना है. एंड देन डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ इशूइंग अथॉरिटी, तो किसने अलाउ किया है और किसने आपको दिया है उसका नाम डालना है. ओके, देन एक्स सर्विसमैन, इफ यू आर एक्स सर्विसमैन देन क्लिक ऑन येस बटन, अदरवाइज नो. इफ यू आर पीडब्ल्यूडी कैंडिडेट देन क्लिक ऑन येस बटन, अदरवाइज क्लिक ऑन नो बटन, ठीक है. इफ यू आर सेल एम्प्लॉय देन क्लिक ऑन येस बटन. यू टू जस्ट एंटर योर पीआई नंबर, कैडर, ग्रेड एंड डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग. If you are already working in PSU, then click on yes and enter PSU or any government company name here. Okay. If no, you are fresher, then click on no button and click on save and proceed. Next, you need to enter your address. तो here अपना full address लिखना है. You need to enter your full address here, ठीक है. Town, तालुका, city. Then state you will select like this. Okay. Then district and you will enter your pin code. And if this information like address of communication is same as your permanent, then click on just this button. All this information will come here directly. Okay. And click on save and proceed. Next, you need to upload your photograph, okay, by here, and here you will upload your signature. All the guidelines they have given, so properly read and upload your photograph and signature, okay, and then click on submit your save and proceed. Okay, then you will get preview of your online application. Re-verify all the details that you filled so far, okay. If there is any mistake in name, then you can correct it, otherwise after submission you can't correct it, ठीक है. तो अभी एक बार फिर से वेरीफाई करो and then scroll down, click on I accept about declaration and click on save and proceed. Okay, now again scroll down and click on login and continue to your dashboard. Now on this small window you can see option select planned. Okay, so we will select corporate office, which is our recruitment, sale empty recruitment. Then click on login ID, whatever login ID you generated, so enter here, fill this captcha and click on submit button. Now on this screen you will see current opening, click on that. Okay, then here you have to select plant, empty recruitment and post name, management training, click on proceed button. Okay, so now here you can see all the details we need to fill one by one. So we'll start quickly. So click on recruitment details. Now here you need to click on this button I have read, okay, and click on save and continue. Then again all the information you will get, okay, re-verify and click on I certify and save and continue. Then re-verify your address, email ID and mobile number, click on I certify and save and continue. Okay, here RUPWD already be filled, so just click on I certify again, save and continue. Now on this screen you have to enter your 10th details, okay, like 10th, name of the school, name of the board, year of passing, okay, what is your pass out year of 10th, then how much marks you get, like I am entering 100, okay, and how much mark you secured out of this total, and automatically you can see here they will calculate your percentage, okay, and click on save and proceed. Now here you will select your 12th or diploma details, okay, so I will suppose select 12th or I will select diploma. Then here you will enter your name of the board, name of the school or college, okay. Then year of passing, so what is your pass out year of 12th or diploma, that you will select from this screen. Okay, marks and CGPA, so if you have marks click on marks, if you have CGPA click on GPA. Okay, I am selecting marks, I am entering suppose 100 here, okay, secured marks 90, so total percentage it is automatically calculating, it is 90, ठीक है. Scroll down and click on save and proceed. Last, our graduation details we will fill, so name of the university or institute, ठीक है, so that we will fill it. Then from which branch or for which post you want to apply, so you will select that, ठीक है. Your engineering branch you will enter here, okay, then you will select your engineering pass out here. Now here you can see that semester wise marks details you need to fill, okay, like semester 1, semester 2, like that, semester 3, semester 4. Okay, so all the details you need to fill here. Maximum marks, how much maximum marks are there, marks secured again, okay, suppose 50, and here you need to select or calculate your percentage manually. Okay, it is not automatic. So like this, all fill all the details and then click on save and proceed button. Before that, also fill your aggregate or average percentage of all the semester. Okay, if you complete your post graduation, then click on yes button, and here you can see these details you need to fill. Okay, if you didn't complete post graduation, then click on no button. I certify and save and continue. If you have experience, then click on yes, and here you can see name of the organization, designation, period from period to, and job responsibility you need to select. Okay, and click on save button. If no, then simply click on no button and continue. Now most important thing, exam centers. So here you can see that 3 exam centers you can choose. Okay, so first definitely preference you will give for your city. So if exam center is in your city, select that. Okay, if your city is not there, then select nearby city one by one. Okay, so here you can see full list of exam centers all over India. So any 3 exam centers which are nearer to you, you can select and click on I certified and save and continue. Okay, again you can see here that again you can preview your form. Click on I confirm. Here also I agree. Then I agree to finally submit online application. You will select on make payment. Now on this screen you can see select payment gateway, click on that. Okay, then online. Then you can see here 4 options we have: credit card, debit card, NEFT, okay, through SBI, and NEFT without SBI. So any option you can select here, and here you can see that a few charges are added here. Okay, so click on proceed to pay, and then here click on pay now and submit application. Okay, so like this you can make the payment of your final online application. I hope everything is clear. Now it's time for your preparation. So already I uploaded strategy video, just watch that video carefully. Okay, in the comment section you will get the link. So after form filling you can watch that video. Our MSP we are started already, SAIL MT preparation, blockwise strategy started. Okay, so you can join MSP if you are seriously preparing for SAIL, और अगर आपको कुछ भी करके SAIL में सिलेक्शन होता है, definitely MSP आपकी हेल्प करेगा. Along with SAIL you can target multiple recruitment also. ठीक है, that we are currently targeting. So if you have any query, any doubt in form filling or any other doubt you have, then you can comment down below. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel which is most important. Okay, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो. ऑल द बेस्ट.